In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export images out of Photoshop for the web using the best export settings. Whether you're working on a website or a social media post, ensuring your images are optimized for web usage is crucial. We'll dive into the process and make sure you can confidently export your images using the best settings available. To start, open up your Adobe Photoshop and have your image ready. Once you're there, move your cursor to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This is your gateway to various saving and exporting options within Photoshop. By clicking File, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. For exporting, we'll want to continue by hovering over the Export option. A submenu will appear, and from there click on Export As. This is where the magic of optimizing your images for the web begins. After clicking on Export As, a dialog box will open, and here is where you'll make all the important decisions. Look for the Format drop-down menu in this box and select JPG or JPEG. This file type is one of the most commonly used formats for web images because it balances quality with file size. A smaller file size ensures your website loads quickly, which is important for user experience. Moving below the Format dropdown, you'll notice a slider to adjust quality. A good rule of thumb is to drag this slider anywhere between 60 to 80%. This range tends to maintain image quality while also keeping file sizes manageable. If your image has intricate details or vibrant colors, you might want to lean towards the 80% mark. But if it's a more minimalist image, 60% will often do just fine. Remember, larger file sizes can slow down your site, so be sure to strike a balance that suits your needs. Next, you'll observe the image size options. Sometimes the original image dimensions are too large for web use. Downsize your image if necessary by adjusting the pixel dimensions here. There's no perfect size for all images, but making sure your image isn't overly large will help with page load speeds. Finally, you have the option to set the color space to sRGB. This is important because sRGB is the standard color space for web use and will ensure that colors look consistent across different devices. Once you've set these options, move your cursor to the bottom right corner and click Export All. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to choose the export location. After selecting your destination folder, hit Save, and your image will start exporting with these optimized settings. And that wraps up our guide on exporting images out of Photoshop for the web. By following these steps, you can easily optimize your images for faster loading times without sacrificing quality. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!